All right, it's time to bring out the puppies. They're 2 weeks old, and we're gonna get their pictures today. So I'm gonna put the puppy here, and he's gonna shoot some pictures of it. Look at this. Look at this sable. You see the stripe down its back? This is what we're looking for. This beautiful puppy.
That is really
Get
just
out the
awesome
next
color.
one. Is it he though?
Yeah.
Well, let's look at this one. Oh yeah, look.
Identical.
Yeah, these colors are so rich. This is what we breed for here at Kraftwork. We breed for these rich colors, and this dark black on its feet, that means it's a true black sable puppy. This is what you want to see in your puppies. Oh yeah,
There's
look
a
at
black
this
and
one.
brown.
Look at this bicolored. Oh, it's beautiful. This little girl. Look at her. She's sniffing around, looking at this new place. They've never been out of their kennel before. This is the first time. I'm gonna bring out some more here. Let them sniff around. Yeah. Good job. Look at this. Look at how brave these puppies are. They're already willing to walk around, check out their new environment. You want to have a confident puppy.
So how many do you have total?
We have 9 puppies
Okay,
here.
just go ahead and get them all out. And it looks like they're missing each other.
There we go, and there's the puppy pile. Look at these markings. They're so rich in color. It's really fun to watch these guys grow up and see how all of their personalities are. Watch the confidence that they start showing. Yeah, these are beautiful puppies. Beautiful. All right, I think that might be enough for today. We're gonna take them back to their mom.